Okay, guys. Um, if you don't, if you don't like listening to English, you just need to do one or two to know if you can translate this to your own language. All right. So, for those of you that understand English, I'm gonna be working on this video for you guys. And this video is about Adsterra, how to make traffic push reasonable good amount of traffic to your Adsterra direct link, so you can be able to earn money. Right. So, and how I'm going to show you guys one thing. That's going to shock you right now. Um, you just you just need to go to Facebook, and you need to create a Facebook a page. All right, you just need to create Facebook page. I'm going to show you something right now. This is my page. This is my page, and if you check the date that I created this page, you're going to see that it is September 30th, 2023. September 30th. That was the date that I created this phone. All right, now look at this place. Just look at this place. This is Adsterra direct link. Once you click on it like this now, it is going to load um, a landing page which I designed, and you can see it right here. So this is iPhone 13 giveaway. You're going to say click below to enter your Gmail and name. You understand? Your Gmail and name. Once you click on any of these, you're going to watch my ads. Sure, you understand what I'm saying now? You can see it. You're going to watch my ads. All right, now, um, you know, before now, we used to put this stuff on videos. We used to put it on videos. Like whenever you're giving your video captions, you can just add it there. But this time around, if you try it, Mark is going to terminate your account, not just only your page, but he's going to terminate your account. Sure, you understand what I'm saying. Now, right now, what we do is you go straight and start publishing Reels. You understand? You're not going to publish all this stuff as video. You're going to be publishing it as Reels. You can see what I'm saying right here. So, you go to Instagram, TikTok, and get all this iPhone, and then you start publishing it. All right. So now, what are you going to do right now? You're going to locate all this AI voiceover app, and then you enter something like okay, let me just play this video so you understand it. You can come here and download any of this video and extract the voiceover and use it and edit your own. Let's just watch this.
If you are a student, you are using your mom's phone, then this is your last chance to win an iPhone. All you have to do is to follow me like this video and comment hi. I will choose randomly. If you are a student, you are using your mom.
You can see it. It said if you are a student and you are using your mom's phone, this is your right chance to win an iPhone. What you just need to do is to like this video, share this video, and click on the link on my bio. You understand? For the giveaway link. Get it right now. So uh then this is the caption of this video. I said giveaway link in the bio. Then I will now put hashtags. So you're not going to put the link directly here, but just say it on this video that the giveaway link is at your bio. So you're going to see that after watching this, the person will just really need to go to the giveaway link, and this is the giveaway link here. And once they click on it, it's going to open, and then you see the person watching your art. And how do you put this stuff right here? You're going to put it in your bio, like now. You know what I mean by bio. All right, so let me just show you some of my other page. You can see this particular one here. Here I have 29k likes and 31k followers. So this is the bio. This is the bio. You can see it here. This is the bio. This particular one is for adult stuff, right? Yeah. So you can see I renamed the direct link to this using Bitly so that it will look as if it is a WhatsApp channel. You can see it here, so that whenever they see it there, so they are going to click on it. So you can see this picture right here. I entered here. I said click on my bio link to join our WhatsApp group. You can see the trick right there. These are the stuff that we do there. You can see many people are very eager to join, and whenever they want to join, they really need to go and click on the link at the bio so they can be able to okay. You can see this is another trick right here. So you can after watching, and make sure you share this video so it can get to reach to other people. So I'm going to stop here. I'm going to stop here. In our next video, I'm going to continue so that I'll show you how to design the landing page, how to create the landing page so that WhatsApp, sorry, so that Facebook is not going to be blocking you. All right, so that is the next move that we're going to make. Okay, so that is just it. Okay. And I'm also going to show you how to buy Facebook pages. If you don't want to start building your page from scratch, I'm going to teach you how to buy the page, legit page that will work for you. Okay, so that you start making up to $10 to $20 per day. So it is all right for you. And I'm also going to show you my earnings so that you believe what I'm saying, that is truth, right? So let's just take this and then wait for the next one. Thank you.